Tulog lang, no?
Tulog nga eh. Kanina pa siya?
Kanina pa.
Picturean natin, dali. Sama.
Shh! Uy! Wait for me.
Dali.
Shh! Baka nagising siya.
No? Ayan na, gising siya. Good morning, Miss!
Morning!
Hapon na! Nakatulog pala ako. Oh my gosh, sorry, Kiss. Sorry.
It's okay. Pero, ikaw naman, are you okay?
Eh, kasi nawalan ako ng 2 clients. So, nag-work ako para makahanap pa ng marami pang clients. Kaso, paano pag nag-lose ako ng more clients? Paano na yung timeline ko? Paano na yung dream house ko? Paano ko makakabayad ng bills? Paano ko makakabayad ng electricity bill? Paano yung bill ko? Oh my gosh, may bayad na ba ako?
Relax na. Inhale.
Yes.
Exhale.
Yan.
Inhale. Exhale. Yan. Very good, very good. Relax lang.
Sorry guys, feeling ko na anxiety attack ata ako. Kailangan ko lang ng peace of mind.
It's okay, don't worry. You're in a safe space now.
Yeah, nandito kami, oh.
Oh, and we've all been there. Oh, you remember that time nasa planning stage pa yung cafe? Tapos na panic attack ko?
Oo, nakwento mo nga
Oo, biglang lockdown. So, wala nang suppliers, walang permits. And I thought, nawala yung cafe. Pero, it's okay to be scared sometimes. Ba?
Oo nga. Actually, same din. Nung pa-start pa lang ako sa content creating. Hirap talaga, no? Pag starting pa lang. As in, I also have
Grabe naman, no?
Wait lang.
pa dito.
Cellphone ka ng cellphone, ha?
Silent man. Yan
Sino
lang.
ba yan, ha? Sino yan?
So, going back, how did you guys manage?
Ayun, nabawasan yung savings ko. Kailangan kasi talaga eh.
What if we help you find more clients?
Oo nga. Talaga, you do that for me.
Of
Yes,
course.
me, of course. Don't forget, I have connections.
Same here. In
Yes.
fact, one of my old boss is looking for a new designer para sa
Oh,
co-working
sige,
business
sige,
niya.
recommend mo.
Yeah,
ko,
you guys up.
Thank you.
Oh, ito naman, Tia.
Kita mo, Mi? Believe lang. God provides.
It's true. Totoo yun.
Amen.
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo.
Road to the dream.
Now, go home and rest. Para somebody else can try the cards.
Okay.
Di ba gusto mo ng peace of mind? Hatid na kita, para may peace of mind din kami.
Book ko na kayo ng car para may ambag ako sa piso pa nyo.
Sige, antayin ko,
Ang
ha?
sweet mo naman. Akin na nga yan.
Thank you.
Uy, malapit na. 3 minutes na lang, oh.
Yun.
Kaya,
Well, at least peaceful siya tingnan.
Are you living FYP for your purpose?
For your people. For your purpose.
Tara, simulan na natin.
FYP for your plot twists in life, for your lost and found dreams and the shifting tides. FYP for your people who stand by your side, you know you'll make it through. Don't stop now.